Hi all, welcome to CNN tutorial part 1. My name is Shiji JS, training instructor from YP Kings Private Limited. Do you know how deep learning recognizes the object in an image? Does it use CNN? Friends, CNN is the most exciting and highly recommended course for those who would like to enhance their knowledge in this relevant field. Now let's begin the tutorial without further delay. A convolutional neural network is a class of deep neural network most commonly applied to analyzing visual imagery. Look at these two pictures. First one is a cute little kitty and the other one is a lovely dog. No? How we will identify this as a cat and as a dog? Yes, we know that they have certain specific features. Those features are different. Their eyes, mouth and ears look different, right? Just compare these eyes of both cat and dog. Yes, both have distinct features, so we can identify them simply. But how a computer identify them? How a computer differentiate that it's a cat and it's a dog? So CNN is used here to identify the images. We identified the animals as a cat and dog by its features. Similarly, the computer identified these images using their features. These features are also called as filters in CNN. That is, as we said earlier, CNN is used to analyze the visual imagery. So friends, first of all, we will understand how a computer reads an image. So this is an image of a cute lovely kitty. As we see this picture, we will notice the shape, size and features of that animal and identify this cute little one as a kitty. But how a computer reads this image? Since this is a color image, the computer uses three channels. One is red channel, one is green channel and the other one is blue channel. This is called RGB. Each of the channel have its own pixel values. If we say the size of an image is h by w by 3, then it means that it have h rows, w columns and 3 channels. That is, if someone say size of an image is 10 by 10 by 3, then it means 10 rows, 10 column, 10 channels. So this is how a computer sees a colored image, and for a black and white image, computer uses 2 channels. Okay, now let's see how image recognition works. Here we have 3 layers, an input layer, hidden layer and an output layer. As we give the image of the kitty as the input, the pixels of the particular image fed as input to the input layer. It takes to the hidden layers and then we have the output layer where the output is going to say, oh, that's a kitty. So take a look how CNN identify the image of a cat. The first layer, the input layer, accepts the pixel of image as input in the form of arrays. Here the entire picture of the cat can be divided into different blocks and these blocks are different arrays. Okay. The second layer is hidden layer. Hidden layer carry out feature extraction by performing certain calculations and manipulations. From this layer we get some data for the neural network. And this layer uses matrix filter and perform convolution operation to detect patterns in the image. There are multiple hidden layers like convolution layer, ReLU layer, pooling layer that performs feature extraction from the image. ReLU activation function is applied to convolution layer to get a rectified feature map of the image. Pooling layer also uses multiple filters or features to detect edges, corners, eyes, ears, etc. And finally, there is a fully connected layer that identifies the object in the image. And these layers come together at the output and identifies the image as a cat. Friends, if you are confused with these layers, don't worry. We can simply understand its working step by step later in this tutorial.